RCB management Nikhil Sosale has moved the High Court challenging the arrest. The petition that has been filed by the RCB management on behalf of them questioning his arrest is set to be heard shortly in the High Court. The hearing will take place before the bench in just a short while, we are told. Senior advocate Sandesh Chauta will argue on behalf of Nikhil Sosale. Senior advocate C.V. Nagesh will present arguments on behalf of the DNA Entertainment. This is in the backdrop of some of the big arrests that have taken place in the Stampede incident in Bengaluru have been arrests from the RCB. The government has basically pinned it on the Royal Challengers Bengaluru that they announced the arrest on social media, and that is what led to such level of gathering of the crowd. So that's the big news coming in. RCB, remember, because they were the first ones to have caught in the storm, especially with regard to the arrest, police officials, including the Commissioner of Police, were suspended. But for the RCB officials to be arrested, that with the claim that because they announced it on social media, that has what led to such level of crowd gathering. Sagai Raj is joining me for the latest on that. Sagai, take us through how the RCB is challenging their arrest and why.
The RCB has categorically mentioned that they had sought permission from the police department to give enough security, and they have also mentioned the example stating that DNA was the one which had organized the Champions Trophy, World Cup victory celebration even in Mumbai. At that point of time, there was enough security at that, and there was no untoward incident which was being reported in Mumbai. Whereas when it comes to Bengaluru, the RCB and DNA claims that there were around 2,450 food pockets which has been organized for all the police personnel, and all these packets were supposed to be distributed to all the police personnel who were at the duty. And they have also claimed that out of that only 600 food packets were being distributed for the lunch, whereas a similar kind of food packets of 2,450 packets which was kept for dinner, it was distributed for everybody, and all the packets were finished. So they claim that there were only 600 personnel at that point of time in the afternoon, and all the security personnel who were supposed to take care of huge gathering outside Chinnaswamy Stadium were being sent to take care of the VIP security at Vidhan Soda, which has caused a major problem for DNA and RCB. And DNA also claims that they had personal security staff, around 850 personnel who have been deployed in and around Chinnaswamy Stadium to take care of this particular rush. However, still they couldn't control this, and they have blamed that it is the failure of police department which has led to Stampede, and DNA and RCB have no role to play in this.
Yes, Sagai, keep tracking the latest on that. RCB is challenging their arrest. Nikhil Sosale was, remember, the one heading their marketing and revenue department. He was the first arrest to have happened. RCB is challenging it. We'll be tracking what unfolds in the court.